Hi, my name is Ajay and I'm the head software at Intech Additive Solutions. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We are showcasing AM Suite, our suite of software for additive manufacturing and specifically laser powder bed fusion. As part of the suite of software, we have multiple software that will help the customers in their entire journey of additive manufacturing. Coming to this list of software suite, what we have software for identifying a part which makes sense for additive manufacturing. So this is a software which will help the customer understand all the trade-offs and explain the journey of additive in a very intuitive way. Customers can understand the cost benefits, the performance benefit. We also have a software which is helping the customers consolidate designs. One of the benefits of additive manufacturing is that you could consolidate geometries, and there's a software solution which enables that. The next software what we have is for design for additive manufacturing. If you understand what are the benefits of additive manufacturing, it helps in lightweighting, it helps in topology optimization. So we have a software which enables all of this. You could have lattice structures, you could do topology optimization and do weight reduction. After this, the customers need to print the parts like what you see. For this, a processing software is required, which will help in adding support structures and slicing the part and feeding the part into the machine where it is actually printing. We at Intech have been in the field of laser powder bed fusion additive manufacturing for the past 15 years. Our journey started off as being a service provider for metal additive manufactured parts. Later on, we started developing our own software, and then we realized that there's a huge gap in the market, and we started designing machines as well as software for metal additive manufacturing. Now, Intech has about 135 employees. We are based in Bangalore, and we provide a full series of solutions for metal additive manufacturing, right from software to machines.